Everybody for stand up for my baby. Yeah, yeah, my sweet papa, I want carry go, shady na my heart. Hey. Only you will go chop my sugar cane. No. Yeah, yeah, time money no day you day my back, you know if you complain. Yeah, so I they come pay my bride price. Yeah, yeah, my baby, we must to marry today. Girl, they come see your parents. Yeah, yeah, my baby, we must to marry today. Cause I want bumpy key with my baby. My baby, we must to marry today. We must to marry today. See, I don't go photocopy my love for my baby.
After me, bye. If you're a friend, Emma, MK, at the time, it's all the same case. MK. A question here, still a big woman. MK Nampa, no, so did to Miss Shiniho. They are the dad chop, still a yap, part of show, Lenina Casa, then it's all yes. I don't many me look and Kaya. Minimum Papua and Akuma crab. I have it. Say now, Miss with her sister, a few hours about the now. It is not the best. So there's the way. Young funny, Beman cousin. I'm not funny when got but you're not doing that.
I was Beman open the year. Go big when I'm an about. How many days? It's not like he doesn't know this place. He knows it. Open up. What mama found out go. What back? So why is he accusing you?
But away MK Kassan and a dear before the them. Maybe he just needs time.
And then we don't have time.
Or a Bema jealousy. Let's not see in a way. Romans or draggies because there's nothing to this.
What is love without trust? It's not. Only obati, only beematic. Not trust in him, and it will be unconnected because no matter what you do, we cannot do it.
Vanessa, why don't you pray? And after them, also many cafes will be to you.
Means accredited. Ah,
Ellen. You can see she's depressed. Like, why very depressed?
yeah, some for depression.
Because she's heartbroken.
I say with depression, yes.
You think it's easy for her?
Ah,
You saw her. Vanessa, I'm proud of you, and I'm wanting to come with Stitch no, one can not acquaint him.
on the whole pay. Yeah, tears is there, you ran the man in beauty. Man is. Yeah, Bearman opener. Quaba. One and your year crown now will cover the behind. That was my baby.
I am here. And I know he's taking things too far, but tell me, I'm equally animal.
Bearman bar. And yes, you can answer my picture. But until then, no. Mean to mean, come in, I don't cassette. Ellen, sorry, cock and ask Debbie. Ask the enemy, I don't want born who should be not. Debbie. We don't do that.
Maybe if you're on Subacasa. Maybe your son fair, Sapon, the normal cast. Maybe on there. A bit to you.
It's you and you be a grand and I is only mammy. I mean, mammy, me, mammy, animal. Because a casa, while you will want and come, mammy, and that's not come here, married.
Our reasons you don't mean.
Ah,
we are so far.
one of those a man. But you almost a man.
I have before you pass of the man.
But I'm just here to tell you. Send me and a free moko.
Can you remind me again, please?
Give me
No,
Give
I
me
just
the
want to know when you are being one sem now.
Me nua bɛn na ɔne ne te fie. Me nua bɛn na ne te single room.
Okay. Now I know. Okay, continue on listening.
Sɛnea watumi apam no sɛ wɔnkɔ no.
Mm-hmm.
Nyame adom wabɛfie.
Okay.
Oni kiosk mu bi. Oni chobos mu bi.
Okay.
Oni susu box ne mu bi.
Okay.
Enti musuo nka ho.
Mm-hmm.
Na wosi me fie ho.
Mm-hmm.
Na abɛyɛ wo nan na ako sɛ crutches ni duru me fie hɔ bɛka kyerɛ me nua no sɛ ɔnsa mmerɛ fie ha bra. Me do nyame bo to.
Wait, and what makes you think I'm coming to do that again?
Thank you.
I'm not. After all, I've already moved on and I'm better off. So
Oh, wow.
you
Nice.
shouldn't think I'll be coming there to, you know, to stoop that low again to ask her to come back. Because Obawari for me question ex-boyfriend. Now, what the fuck? Oh, question ex-boyfriend them. We are not the Asiana Bremy. Now, okay, I mean, so be Odi leftover. Oh no. Your pen on himself. I think you can go in for that question of a guy.
What is that one if I can be hard
Oh yeah, I know.
Hey.
I just pity your sister because for a married woman, sort of that wasn't the first time I meet him. So I mean say no, for her to enter her ex-boyfriend. Who could be the one there? I'm better without her, as you can see. So thank you for telling me not to set a foot in your so-called house again, because I don't think that would be, you won't see me there anymore. So, thank you. Bye. Can you please leave?
Can I leave like you're staying in your own house?
Whatever. I mean,
I'm just telling you. Me, I don't have any problem. You can say whatever. You can rant as long as and as much as you want. But you know what? I'm just telling you. Have it at the back of your mind that you should never, don't ever make that mistake. Don't let anything whatsoever push you to come to my house.
no. What even makes you think I'll come to your house?
Don't ever make that mistake. Look at me.
Say that.
I will. Me both you. You can say that.
Okay. Bye.
Rankete nurita Jakari Vituta Ike Jannat Desata Yejaha Watikere Tipe Kuchmere Namusa Nikikitore Gaya Tukaha Amari Jurika.
What song are you singing?
Therefore, that is a heartbreak song.
Oh,
My girlfriend broke my heart.
sorry.
Hi. You never told me your sister is in this town.
My what?
Your sister.
No, she's not my sister.
Who is she?
My wife to be.
Your what?
Sweetheart. Wife.
Your wife to be. Like how?
Do you have any problem? She's my wife to be. Right?
Hurry, step on. Your wife to be. Like you want to.
Is there any problem?
No, there's no problem.
Why are you so surprised? Say I'm your wife.
Yes, I am
know.
surprised. I'm very, very surprised.
Is it because she's dating?
Like how? Like Sarpon. Please, what is your name?
Frances.
Francis. Wow. Good.
And who is he by the way?
Okay, he's my co-tenant.
Let me. I'm his co-tenant. That is my room. I know him. Like that is my room. So you can imagine how I know him. I know him very, very much. I know this guy.
What's the problem?
Nice meeting you too. So you want to marry him?
Sure.
Wow.
You take his name.
Wow. Buy bulletproof and helmet and things.
Thank you.
Buy helmet. Don't forget to buy helmet. Huh?
Why is she using the helmet for?
We will ride motor.
Okay.
Protect your job and your. Sarpon.
You complain, yeah. So I did come to my bride price. Yeah, yeah, my
Arkwati.
we must to marry
Arkwati.
today. God, I come see your
Arkwati. Come
parents.
here. Hey.
What is pursuing?
We must to marry today.
Hurry. One day shall never end. One day shall never end.
What?
I was sitting there. I was minding my business. Then I saw Sapon. Sapon with some girl. Look at. He brought the girl inside.
Sapon.
Sapon has the guts to go for another girl.
How does that concern you?
Arya Koresi, why? Do you mean I'm a gossip or what?
I'm not saying, and mind you, the name is Akwasi. And if Sapon has gone for another girl, I don't see how it concerns me.
Blue tick. Arkwasi. You know we are into this together. If I see something and I come and tell you now, you are
I'm
saying
not
this to me.
saying you shouldn't come and tell me. What I'm saying is, see, whatever you want to do with his life, that is not my business.
It's none of your business.
No.
So at first, when you used to come to me and ask me about him, it was part of your business, right?
And I'm done doing those things. You understand?
No, you should have signed out. You should have signed out. It is agreement. You came into agreement with me to tell you about somebody. So if you are no more interested, tell me. Bahura, from now on going, I'm no more interested in Sapon, so sign me out.
Bahu, I'm signing out right
Today.
now. I am no more interested in whatever concerns that guy, Sapon, whatever his name is.
Good.
Please.
Agreement.
Yes.
And I will get you. No problem. Greet me. So I'm going. I know I'm ferry, so I'm going. No problem.
You are what?
I'm ferry, so I'm going.
Exactly.
I'm ferry, so I'm going, huh?
Now you are in Ghana and you can say ferry.
Ferry like here, you've disgraced me.
No, I'm sorry. You know, there are certain times we don't do this.
Oh, really?
You understand? And I've had a lot of problem with that guy.
Oh, okay.
You see, that's why I want to stay off his
And
back.
mind your
or his
business.
mouth. Yes, I mind my business.
Thank you very much. So I'm going to mind my business over there.
How was the girl like?
Arkwasi, I swear to God, if you ask me any question about this girl, the way I will use this thing and slap your nose.
You will slap
with this thing.
See, when I signed out, I forgot my password.
You have signed out. No,
I forgot
you're
the
no more
password.
part of my group.
How is the girl like? Tell me, talk to me. You are my brother. How's the girl like?
Her, Sapon, does he use juju?
Why?
Her, the way the girl is nice. I don't know, how did that guy got Sister Ellen and that girl?
Forget it. Is she beautiful than my Ellen?
Her, they are two different people together. I can't say she's beautiful than her, but this girl too. Stop. Her. Oh! The girl got this form. She's chocolate skin and stop. Her
This stingy man.
I don't know how he get them.
Why? Or is it?
Since I started working with you, I've never get any girl in this life. I think I have to stand out from you and go to Sapon.
But before I met you, did you have any girl?
That is why I came to you. Like, we have to fly together and you don't have any girl.
I'm minding my business. I'm a businessman. When I go to work and come, I'm always indoors.
Sorry, but Sapon, that guy is a bad guy. He's a very, very, very bad
man,
guy.
you left this girl and all of a sudden you brought another girl.
You know what? Since I don't have a girlfriend, I have to go and peep at the window. Yes, that is what I do.
That's no good. I thought Indians are honorable people.
It is part of my work. I gossip, I peep at people, Even I did that to landlord the last time. So, it's part of me. I'm going to peep at the window and look at him.
Any information? Since I forgot my password, any information?
I should come back.
Yeah.
You buy forms again. No problem.
I'll buy forms again.
Arkwasi, my best friend.
Akwasi.
Yeah. Alright, I have...
Bahu.
Arkwasi.
Bahu.
Bye.
That's where from contract. That's up on here.
See, I don't go photocopy my love for my baby. Me, I go design a
Well, Ellen, as a man making here, you must come. If you know who, the name is the best. At length, and I'm going to make a key time because ma'am, I can't send you, but then I can't and then can't make us. And then I can't, and then I do come up to the possible 3 times. But I'm come on, meaning that you if you choose, I'm the mama, I found come on, you need to do.
You say, Ukunu, Udom. Then so, my dear, a Carmen Kwa, Bearman. So, Cassa one and 8, when you're Bearman Bob. Because, like I said, Ukunu, we minister will be Pierre will be a similar. Because one and another after a dime back. One and another damn Pabaco. Like I said, the secret beyond winning a single. Name of me, I can you in this one. I think, say, wow. Because young Pato. One and that once and now, and the quite chattel, give a punch of room drive of one. The said you also person was a star, said the show now what told. It's in the papa moi. The Capema wires are what from the day, so bad. Think a jar of a winter before near Jatla will be in the donor to see this in near car. Now, what bar crown, so but Pata no come up to you. And what's that? Now, so call ya a Luna watch and a coffee baby, a baby, French bow, separate to so through Congo, to Cote d'Ivoire, the young Joseph St. Francis, hey, almost a Francis. Selling maybe a minimum say or more mamma that's all for one because our lady and Yana what you mean so then about say a year well see if you wrap it everything or the number it is sad memory can you say we young on the life a idea was some manner the Kenyan your baby you know a memo your name Martin about no formula what's not self to food near my yard. What do you say? Oh, no, was some pride you, Mukrana. Once I already the crime be super so they are no at the Fedefena. Nice, or Banner Day be one manaka. But what many could rock off about Frabandu? Ellen, maybe a bit in here. Like I say, young one betray the Bearman warm war. The betray that class. In Yamepa, Bema Papa. Na saa bɛrima na ɔbɛba wɔ life no ɔbɛ value because yɛsɛ usoro awaregya yɛ a wonya aware pa menim sɛ ɛnyɛ mmerɛ deɛ ɛnyɛ bɛtɛn but to me ne deɛ ɛka deɛ mɛka nsɛ nya abotire because ɛnɛ yɛte ɛyɛ ade bɛkye yɛ sɛ wo bɛrima bi ne ne yɛ ako abufo nti watwɛ sekan wadwidwa no ɛbiribi sɛ yɛ because ɔmfiti prɛko pɛ nnidwa no na ɛsɛ atɔ so a ɛna akɔdu that explain. As who be maybe on what to blow upon a year was saying any BBC. Into Chaswa, I don't think so. Well, made an American how I died and can be no open. A put you in the meeting, so you tell us more. Fine. Now, so I also know what you when I also say, or only bear my donor, and I know you know never bow. Yes, in Biaka. But in this life, I say if you want to live to please others, you can never satisfy yourself. Maybe they're more common. Well,
let's make us the
Come on, Muffle. Oh, I'm calm. Okay. About what happened the last time. And you say be a wife from Kwampo in the bed. But who was there? Bahubali, that Indian guy was.
That's our family. I don't know. A family member behind, but I'm a wife. A bar, Maxis guy, and one of and brand ex boyfriend them.
So I understand how you feel, but come on. Yes, it's here. Sabo minti minka say ye twem wo busuafo aba.
So just imagine say when you just your girlfriend now what about to say me ne share them all in the name say my home family no.
Like okay, we're not even in the room. Corridor mu wa na yewo. Corridor mu na yewo. Ana matisa na me so apamo no. Which is bad. Me che na Emilia, me show. I want to make this promise to you. Say go back na go for a wife. Who the neighbor fear? Me too. My advance can make me 12 years. No more than house.
You should have done that long ago because you see how I think it's late. It's too late. You know, find a man. So okay, or ex. It's you know we can still go into it. No, I'm cool. I'm fine.
Support. Enyadi enu. Mini Ellen. Any failure. Whatever happened between me and Ellen wasn't. It's like it's been in the past.
And
Asakwa na worry no.
And as a fool as I am, you want me to believe that?
But how can I prove this to you?
There is no need for you to prove anything. Like,
Opa, listen, Opa, Bahuba, you understand no?
because I'm paying
He
you.
was there. The Oba Impono for this same reason. Tina, but when Piamano, because of the way you were backing and all that. And when Piamano, he was also there. How can I have something to do with your wife in the presence of this man? I don't even have that mentality, for Christ's sake.
Probably because I could pay by Anka, I beg calming my nerves. Because for me to think, say, only my girlfriend and want to share
It's
demo at that time.
See, as soon as she came, when you bear 30 seconds and you started knocking.
The worst has already happened.
And mind you, I was even sick to
Yeah.
even do what you are even thinking.
The worst has already happened.
Nothing has happened. Just go back, talk to her, and bring her home. And I promise you,
Okay, you will think about that. I have to go.
don't harden your heart. Memo akuma nyade enu hudako. Michelle,
You know what? I need to go. You can be here. That's my brother.
Matthew.
How are you?
Oh, I'm doing great, Jennifer.
I'm fine. Arkwasi, are you sure you're fine? Because I know you, and I can tell when something is not wrong, not well, right? What is wrong with you?
I am very much okay.
Arkwasi, you mean to tell me that I'm a gossip, right? So you don't trust me to tell me your problem.
Why you always like putting things on me like that?
I am your friend, so if something is wrong with you, you open up and tell me. This is it, and I know it. What is wrong with you?
I'm okay, like health-wise. I'm just a little worried about Ellen.
What is it about Ellen? What is it about Ellen again? Why? Why you worried?
You see, because of me, look at how things have turned. And I'm not happy about that. That is my worry.
You think you are the reason for Ellen's breakup with that Sarpong?
That's my point.
Why do you think you are the problem? Why? Why you the cause?
Have you forgotten? The husband came here, look at the issues surrounding the whole thing. Why?
Don't mind that guy. Don't mind him. Listen, let me tell you one thing. If you want to consider what people say, you won't even go out from your room. Sometimes you need to forget about everybody and move on with your life. You understand? You are not the cause. Maybe God wanted to separate them through you. You understand?
Then I'm still the cause.
What did you do?
Because you just said through me. So through me, that
You
means I'm
think
still
you are the cause. That is why I'm saying that. What did you do? You did nothing.
My presence in this house escalated their problems.
Perfect. Let me ask you. Were you aware that they live in this house?
You know the answer. Hell no.
No. So why are you the cause? Everything is God's plan. You understand? So don't put the blame on yourself. You didn't do anything, Arkwasi. So you have to cheer up. Cheer up. Don't forget about that Sarpon and whatever he calls himself.
How am I supposed to cheer under this condition?
You know what? I have a cure for you. Don't worry. I will get you a nice girl. Maybe when you get a nice girl, you will release stress. You understand? Arkwasi, my man.
Now, you do have a girl yourself. You want to get me a girl.
I don't have a problem. You have a problem. I'm trying to solve your problem. You understand? So get you a nice girl. You release stress. Then you'll be okay.
So when you are in this kind of condition, what do? You get yourself a nice girl.
That is why I have a guitar. Me, when I'm stressed, I play my songs.
So why don't you get me a guitar instead of a girl?
No. That is my culture. I'm an Indian. You're not an Indian. You Ghanaian, everything is pa 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 pa. You understand? When you're stressed, pa pa. But we play strings.
When we are stressed, we do pa pa pa.
Pa. That is how I understand you. So don't worry. I'll get you a nice girl from that dancing over there.
I don't need any nice girl. I'm okay with you even making me smile. I'm just okay.
You're okay.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Good. So I make you happy right now.
Yeah. You see, it's good you even came. The food I prepared, I couldn't even eat
You see,
because of this issue.
listen,
Oh, you are full.
there is
I
one
can see you are full.
oh, there is one thing about me. Sometimes God talk to me. I hear voices.
About what?
I heard something was like go to a person. Is it Angwarumo?
It's a mom with some Abby. You know Abby, that lady who cooks.
Sister Abby?
Yeah, she
That
prepared-
fair lady.
Yeah, that was
Hurry!
nice.
She's a very good cook.
I ordered it from her.
Wow!
Let's go inside.
Let me go and try that. Let me go inside.
Let's go inside.
Let's go and.
Where are you going to? Why are you in a rush like that?
Arkwasi, you said there is
This
food.
is my gate. Relax. I'm not the one who invited
And
you.
who is going to eat the food?
Hey, me and you.
Alright, go.
I can let you sit here, then I'll bring the food to
No
you.
problem. Go. Let me follow you.
Why you like that?
Arkwasi, my man.
Come.
Everybody for stand up for my baby. Yeah, my sweet papa, I want carry go, shady na my heart. Only you will go chop my sugar cane. Yeah, the time money no day you day my back, you know if you complain. Yeah, so I dey come